Let me get my stuff together. Oh my God.
You don't need that. You just need the gun. That's just more stuff for you to possibly get hung up on as you do this seating.
Got you. As little flappy as possible.
Do. Okay, so safely, but as fast as you can, you're going to dump all rounds from all magazines.
Well, all right.
What you're doing is you're heating up your barrel nut, your forearm, all your connection points that may or may not be properly Loctited from the factory.
Right.
You're looking for a point of failure, and you're seating that barrel to the upper receiver by heating it up like that.
All right.
All right, so right about here. No, right about here. Just aim center mass as best you can, right? There you go. There you go.
All three of them.
Yep. Now, if I start to see something happen and you hear me yell, stop shooting immediately.
Yeah.
But other than that, you're good.
Gotcha.
Dump them. Ready, just hut! Come on, pussy, pull that trigger. Don't point the damn thing at me while you do it.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. Let them rot. Weapon is clear.
Clear.
All right. Pull your bolt back to the rear and lock it.
We grilling bacon.
Baconator. Dip, potato chip. All right, we're good. So, let's examine a couple of things. Obviously, those are not all mine. Right? So some of your hits are still combat effective even with that piece of shit optic on it. These are mine. just giving you a heads up there. That's when I was moving on the fly for the combat groove. And you'll see here I'm hitting pretty much center mass, tearing shit up. That's all trigger control, man. As you learn more trigger control, you're going to be good to go.
Gotcha.
Right?
I think if you hit the red button on top, it'll stop it.